We have our Legos, we have our markers and our paper, and we have our Play-Doh. And today, we're in the future. It's all about the future. So you know what? What we're going to do with our Legos, our markers and paper, and our Play-Doh? We're going to make robots. We're going to make super cool robots. So let's start. I think we'll start with the Legos because the Legos kind of lend themselves to building robots because they're all square and blocky. So let's build a cool Lego robot, okay? Because we're in the future. We're in the future and we're going to build a cool Lego robot. So let's start at the bottom. That's always a good place to start. We'll start at the bottom. We'll make some legs. We'll kind of give it like a humanish form, but we're going to make a robot. So let's see here. We're going to take these two pieces. These are going to be his feet. These are going to be like his robot boots. Okay, but let's build his legs up a little bit. See where I'm going with that? See? See them walking, right? All right, so now let's see. Now we need like a crossbar. Take this one. That's a nice crossbar. See? There's the bottom half of the robot. Now let's build up his body here. I think we'll take this one. We'll give him sort of a more stocky body. He's a big robot. He's a big guy. He's a big robot. And we'll take these two pieces, and these are eventually going to be the arms. He's not a very stable robot. He fell down. These are going to be the arms. So there's his legs. See that? There's his shoes. There's his body. There's the beginnings of his arms. They're going to come out like that. And we'll take two more pieces. Because he's kind of standing like this, right? That's a kind of a robot stance. We'll take those, and then we'll take two more pieces, and I think we'll go underneath. Right? We're going to go underneath. See that? Yeah. I think we can go maybe a little bit longer with the arms. Let's go a little slightly longer. We'll give him two more. So he's got big arms. He's a big guy. He's a big robot. Now, what's he missing? He's missing a head, right? Robot's got to have a head. So let's see. I think we'll take little square pieces. We'll give him a neck. His head doesn't sit just right on his shoulders. He needs a neck. And we'll give him kind of a boxy face. I think we'll go 3. Oh, look at that. Look at that. There's our robot. There's our Lego robot. Pretty cool, right? Looks very humanish, but he's a robot. You can tell by the square, blocky head. See that? So there's our Lego robot. All right? It's all about the future. All about the robots today. So we made our Lego robot. Let's make our Play-Doh robot. Let's take blue. Let's make a blue Play-Doh robot. We'll take our blue out and we'll do a similar sort of thing there. We'll make it almost a, 2 legs, 2 arms, a head. We'll make it it's a humanish looking robot. So we'll take our lump of Play-Doh here, the big egg, and we're going to kind of just pinch out different sections. I'll show you in a minute. Let me get this and then I'll show you. There's our beginning form. See how it's got 5 points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points like a star. That's because these are good. Head, 2 arms, 2 legs, right? And then we're going to flatten them out. We're going to make them a little bit taller, so we're just going to flatten them. And we're going to make his arms, we're going to try to square them off so it's very robotic. It looks very machine-like. Because that's what robots are. They're machines. They're not like fluid sort of movements. They're very blocky, very mechanical. So they're kind of flat, but let's tighten them up a little bit. We'll give them a smaller waist there. And let's give him a more blocky head. We're going to push it down. Maybe we'll give it kind of a flat top. And there we go. Look at that. There. Can you see it? It's got this flat, sort of flat face. We can even make the arms move forward like this. Right? So there we go. You can see the robot. Kind of looks like a little bit, like I don't know, like Frankenstein or something. But that's our robot. Almost as tall as our Lego robot. Not quite, but right there. Lego robot, Play-Doh robot. There's 2 robots so far. Let's put those aside. And let's draw our 3rd robot. So I think we'll take, let's take purple. Let's start with purple. And now we started at the bottom with the Lego robot, but let's start at the top. Let's just make a square. Okay? That's the head of the robot. And we're going to give him sort of squarish eyes, squarish nose, rectangle-ish mouth. Okay, see that? Then we'll give him a little tiny neck and some shoulders coming out, right? So there's where you have it so far, right? And we'll have his arms go down and back up. And then this will be his body. His arms will go down, back up, and then this will be his body, right? So there's the robot. We'll give him like a, I don't know, maybe we'll give him a claw hand on one and a 3-finger hand on the other. But there's our robot. Now he just needs a bottom. So we're going to make another rectangle, but this time we're going to go up, down like this, right? And then we'll add some big robot shoes. There is our robot. Check that out. Claw hand, 3-finger pointy hand, robot, purple robot, right? We can color him in any way we want. Oh, you know what? Let's add a little antenna, right? Let's add 2 antennas, right? Now you can see it. See the antennas? Now he looks like a proper robot. Check that out. All right, let's put our marker away and we'll go through what we did so far. So today we were all about the future, all about robots. We drew our robot, 2 antenna, right? Looking very robotish. We did our Play-Doh robot, right? Kind of flat top, robotic head. And then we have our proper robot over here. Looks really, really like a robot. That's our Lego robot. Block head, block arms, right? Robot position. All right, so we drew, we did our Play-Doh, and we did our Lego robot because it was all about the future. So today we did 3 robots because we're in the future. But you can make anything you like. Just get out your Legos, get out your Play-Doh, get out your markers and your paper, and you can make anything you like. Today we made robots, but you don't have to make robots. You can make anything. Just get out your things and make stuff and have fun. Okay? Bye-bye.